Hello everyone, my name is Jasmine Gargi. This video is for RCT 3050 Routing and Switching Assessment 3. In this video, I will explain my Cisco Packet Tracer network, including the router, routing protocol, redundancy, and the GRE VPN tunnel between Sydney and the Melbourne. To start with the full topology. This is the complete network topology of ABC company. It consists two branches, Sydney and Melbourne, connected through an ISP. Sydney hosts the core services while Melbourne connects the IT and HR departments. For the router Sydney, in this Sydney router, which acts as a core router of the network, it connects the ISP using the WAN interface and also connects to two internal networks. One interface service the static server network, and other interface service the employee network using DHCP. This router also applies access control rules to protect the server network. So in assessment 3, the routing protocols were changed from RIP to OSPF. OSPF was selected because it covers faster and performs better in enterprise network. For the router Melbourne, in this Melbourne router, which uses a router on a stick configurations, it handles inter-VLAN routing for VLAN 10, which is IT, and VLAN 20, which is HR. Each VLAN has its own sub-interface allocating control communication between the departments. This also participates in OSPF, allowing dynametric routing between the Sydney and the Melbourne. So, router ISP explanations. This router represents the ISP and provides WAN connectivity between both branches. It forwards traffic between Sydney and the Melbourne. So, GRE VPN tunnel. This tunnel interface represents the GRE VPN tunnel between Sydney and the Melbourne. The tunnel is active and allows logical connectivity between two branches. And the same GRE tunnel is configured on the Melbourne router. OSPF runs over this tunnel to support dynamic routing. So for the Melbourne PC desktop, a successful connectivity test confirms the traffic passes correctly between the branches through the GRE tunnel, switches, and redundancy. So this switches uses Ether channel, which combines multiple links into one logical connection. This improves bandwidth and provides redundancy if one link fails. So wireless and monitoring. Wireless networking was proposed using WAP3 encryption, VLAN, best SSIDs, and 802.1x authentications. For monitoring SolarWinds network performance monitor was recommended to detect performance issues. So for the final summary, OSPF replaced RIP, redundancy was improved, a GRE VPN tunnel was implemented, and secure wireless and monitoring solutions were proposed. This resulted in a more reliable and scalable network. Thank you so much.